Hello everyone, my name is Neil and welcome to our exam exercise walkthrough from esl-lounge.com. Today we're working through C1 Advanced, Keyword Transformations, exercise number CAE056. Let's start with number 1. The original sentence is, "The manager broke the computer," Tina said. The keyword is it, and the second sentence is, Tina said blank the computer. The correct answer is, Tina said it was the manager who broke the computer. The phrase, "it was the manager who broke," uses a cleft sentence structure to emphasize that the manager was responsible for breaking the computer. This structure helps to highlight the subject of the action more clearly. Another example, "It was John who completed the project on time." Moving on to number 2. The original sentence is, "The flawed diamond was much cheaper than the perfect one." The keyword is lot, and the second sentence is, "The perfect diamond cost blank flawed one." The correct answer is, "The perfect diamond cost a lot more than the flawed one." The phrase "a lot more than" indicates a significant difference in cost between the perfect diamond and the flawed one. This structure emphasizes the substantial price disparity. Another example, "The new car cost a lot more than the old one." Next up, number 3. The original sentence is, "I'd like to know who thought of that horrible name for the new company." The keyword is came. And the second sentence is, "Who blank name for the new company." The correct answer is, "Who came up with that horrible name for the new company." The phrase "came up with" means to think of or invent something, often an idea or a name. This structure highlights the person responsible for the idea. Another example, "Who came up with the idea of going to that horrible restaurant?" Moving to number 4. The original sentence is, "Someone was driving the car very erratically," the police confirmed. The keyword is being. And the second sentence is, "The police confirmed that the car blank erratically." The correct answer is, "The police confirmed that the car was being driven very erratically." The phrase "was being driven" is in the passive voice, emphasizing the action of driving rather than who was driving. This structure is used to focus on the event. Another example, "The house was being painted by professionals." Let's move on to number 5. The original sentence is, "I really should have studied more for the exam, Jed thought." The keyword is studied. And the second sentence is, "If blank for the exam, Jed thought." The correct answer is, "If only I'd studied more for the exam, Jed thought." The phrase, "if only I'd studied," expresses regret about a past action that could have been done differently. This structure is often used to reflect on past decisions. Another example, "If only I'd saved more money, I could buy a house now." Next is question number 6. The original sentence is, "Anytime you see Clara, ask her about her husband." The keyword is happen. And the second sentence is, "If blank Clara, ask her about her husband." The correct answer is, "If you happen to see Clara, ask her about her husband." The phrase "if you happen to see" means by chance or coincidentally seeing someone. This structure is used to suggest that the action should be taken if the situation arises. Another example, "If you happen to meet her, give her my regards." Moving on to question 7. The original sentence is, "The mayor revealed everything about the old scandal after he left office." The keyword is did. And the second sentence is, "Only after leaving office blank everything about the old scandal." The correct answer is, "Only after leaving office did the mayor reveal everything about the old scandal." The phrase "did the mayor reveal" uses inversion to emphasize that the revealing happened only after a specific condition was met. This structure often highlights the timing of actions. Another example, Only after speaking to his sister did he understand the truth. Finally, question number 8. The original sentence is, some have said that the government is ignoring the problem of inflation. The keyword is accused. And the second sentence is, the government blank the problem of inflation. The correct answer is, the government has been accused of ignoring the problem of inflation. The phrase has been accused of ignoring indicates that there are accusations against the government for not addressing a problem. This structure is used to show a passive voice statement. Another example, he has been accused of breaking the law. That's all for today from esl-lounge.com. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.